Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to introduce the new model to you guys. This one is a new mini servo. It's a SV-1262. SAVOX designed this one is a special size substitute for the Hitec servo. For the 1262 is a full metal gear with the corless motor, and later on I will let you know what our innovation on the new PCB board. We will use a 32-bit PCB board for this servo, and then we are under the testing for the 112 on-road car, so we're more application for this servo. The many different compared to 1262 to the old SAVOX SV-1250. The specs almost the same, so same speed, the torque almost the same, but the size is different. For the 1262 is more compact. For your model, if you have a size issue or limited on the space, you can choose the 1262. It's more compact, so you can see the 1262 is 32 mm on the longs. The 1250 is 35. And I also show you the weight. Okay, so this one is a SV-1262. So you can see the gram is around 29. And for the SV-1250, it's around 29. So I say it's only 1 gram difference. You can use on the 8.4 volt. The speed is 0.085 and torque is around 9 kg to 10 kg. The SV-1262 will be available at end of June. So if you need further information, please contact with our distributor or to visit Team SAVOX website. Thank you.